going, my friend? Miller Brady here, and thank you for taking a look at the simple social tool, the Facebook Audience Toolkit. And I'm going to be showing you on this video a short demo on how I am using it every single day on my business and here on Facebook. Simple Social Tool is a web browser, so it's basically automates what you are usually doing on your Facebook, like adding friends, messaging your friends, liking, inviting them to like your Facebook page, and all their stuff. Now we have added a feature like you can invite them on a watch party, and that's really awesome. It's actually on progress right now, but it's gonna be here. I'm just gonna show you the desktop where I mean the dashboard where we have the simple social tool, the Facebook Audience Toolkit. So here you can see here that we have the feature of automate friend invites. Meaning you're adding them you're adding friends. Here is the um, updates and targeting. That we're actually inviting that. Um, Inviting to like your Facebook page, sending watch party invites, or that's on progress right now. Because Facebook Live right now, and especially the watch party, if you're gonna do a Facebook Live and watch party in a Facebook group, you can now invite the members of that group to watch a watch party. So that's really powerful. Deleting pending friend requests, automating messages. Yes, it really help because every single day I'm adding like almost 200 friends a day or 400 friends a day. Then maybe 10 or 20% of them accept me on the next day. So that's like almost 100 new friends on your friends list, right? So it's gonna be tiring just to message each single one of them like, hey, how are you? How are you? Thank you for connecting. But if you can just automate them and just send all of them a message, and then those that reply back, now you can have a conversation with them, right? So that's how it works. So that's why I really love this tool. It really saves me a lot of time, and it saves me, it gives me the leverage that I need on Facebook so that I can focus on my other projects as well. So also you can also like your content of your Facebook friends, like you can just tell them you love them, or this everything. And also, of course, this is a tool. If you don't use it well, right? Facebook is really, very or not really sensitive, but really tricky. If you're abusing the tool, like on if your Facebook profile is just brand new, and then you just send 1,000 friend requests, and Facebook's gonna get alarmed with that. What we suggest, if you're gonna use this tool, just take it slow and be like what you usually do on normal activity. It's designed to imitate your usual normal activity. So what I did when I started out, I just add 50 friends a day, and then I bump it up with 100 friends on the next few days, and then now I'm adding 400 friends a day now. So that's it. Just take it slow. This is a tool, and like almost every tool, you have to know how to use it properly so that you can get the most benefit out of it. And it's really amazing. It's safe. It's safe for Facebook to use because it imitates normal human behavior. And I've been using this since October when they launched it last year. And I've never had my Facebook account or never had a flag from Facebook on what I usually do as a single on normal activities with Facebook, right? So I'm going to show you how I do it and how it's really useful for me on my Facebook, on my marketing using my Facebook profile. So what I'm going to do here, because right now I have, let's see, I have 1,439 friends as the time of this recording. When I started out this profile, it was on March 7. So that's when I started adding friends. It was just 3 friends during that time. But at the time of this recording, it's now April 5th. So it's almost 1 month. So I added like 1,400 friends in a span of 1 month. So maybe in the next 3 or 4 months, I will max out my friends with 5,000 friends. So that's really awesome. So imagine 5,000 friends of a highly targeted audience that you're going to market. So that's what's going to. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to show you my DMO, my daily methods of operation with this toolkit. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to add friends. So this is a new feature that they added. So this is what I really love about this tool. Because I'm a network marketer or affiliate marketer, so my target audience are actually other entrepreneurs. So most entrepreneurs now belong in a group, so especially in a Facebook group. So like in a make money online niche or network marketing. So let's say network marketing here. So these are the groups. So usually people who are in these groups are affiliate marketers or network marketers themselves. So those are actually my target audience. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna invite, maybe I'll join this and here. All right, I'm gonna see the group that I already am a member of. All right, let's say this one. Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for people who are on this group. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go to this website called lookupid.com, and it's gonna show me the members of that group. And I'm gonna use the toolkit to add the members of that group. So that's really awesome. That's really, really targeted because I'm targeting network marketers, affiliate marketers, other entrepreneurs because I have I have product or service opportunity that will benefit them on this business like this toolkit. Right, so I'm gonna copy here, paste. This is what I'm doing. This is my actual daily method of operation, guys. So just bear with me. So I'm gonna copy that. Go here on Facebook search, and then I'll go here, search, and then this is a new tab I'm going to open. And this website, the lookupid.com, is going to show me all the members of that group. So you see here, this is a new tab now and it has say members. So all of these are members of that group. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add people from this group using the toolkit. So the Facebook Audience Toolkit is a web browser, an extension of your Google Chrome. So it's here now on my tab. You see here, it's highlighting. So I'm going to click it there. And this is the toolkit. So you can send invites, like to your Facebook page, you can send them and add friends. You can delete the pending friend requests. You can like content and you can automate the message. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm now going to add friends on this Facebook group, right? So I usually they added this one to mutual friends only because that will make it easier for you to add friends because you have mutual friends. Because if you add people who are you don't have any mutual friends, Facebook will ask you, do you know this person? So it's easier now if you have mutual friends, and you won't have any problem with Facebook. So this is what I'm going to do. So I have 30 seconds delay because if you use the tool for 1 second and say Facebook add, right? So Facebook's going to say, hey, why are you adding so many people so fast? So but if I have like a 30 seconds delay, so that let's somehow show that I'm just doing it slow. One, then 30 seconds, two, right? So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna add 200 friends. But when you're starting out, we're gonna use this tool. If you're starting out, just start up with 50, unless you are already doing that manually. So you can do it. It's like example, if you're adding friends 100 a day manually, so you can start out with 100 friends as well. But now I'm gonna start with 200 friends, and I'm just gonna let the tool do its thing. So now I started it. So it says finding friends. So it's gonna search all the friends list here. So it's gonna show. It's just gonna search. Okay. So it's searching now for people to add as friends. So that's really awesome. This morning I just added 200 friends, and the tool successfully invited 197. So that's really awesome. So all right, so it's gonna take a while. So this is what I do to automate. So let's say if I use this tool and then I go to sleep. So that's really awesome, right, guys? So it helps you, leverage your time, and so you can focus on other things, and you can use this tool, add friends, add people to your, audience, and then you can do other stuff. You can spend time with your family. You can go outside and play. Just let the tool do it on its own. That's one thing. So I'm gonna go now to another feature of the tool. I'm just gonna leave that in. So I'm gonna go back here on my Facebook. One tool that I also like about this one is that it's the automate message now because when you have when you have added like 100 friends a day, you're gonna message them, right? You gotta have soft touches on them to say, hey, glad to connect, thank you for accepting my friend request, that sort of stuff. So why don't I go here? Let's say I'm gonna open my messenger here. All right, so you can see here, let me move my screen here. See, so you can see here that you say hi to your new Facebook friends, say hi to your Facebook friends, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. So there's a lot of people that I still haven't contacted with or connected with. So see here, say hi, say hi. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the tool to do that all for me. So I'm going to click again the toolkit here on the browser and say automate messages. I'm going to click that. Oh, it's checking my authorization key. Yeah, it does that. All right, I'm going to click automate message. And it's going to change the outline or the outlook of the messenger. So you can see here it looks a little bit different. It's going to be like a mobile version of the messenger. So I'm going to click this again, and a new tab is going to open like this one. This is going to open up. So now they really simplify the automate messages. So you can see here you can message all. You can message all of your friends here. Like if you're going to do a broadcast or something, or you can message new friends only. So when you say new friends, those people that has this say hi to your new Facebook friend, a friend that you just added and you haven't, or that friend that didn't message you, or you didn't message that friend. So this is what new friends only says, and I'm gonna message 30 friends, 30 that I added a day ago, and I already made this templates, right? Hi, first name, uh, glad to connect with you, glad to connect with you, nice to connect with you, nice to connect with you, right? So what I'm gonna do, because this is just an introduction of myself, I don't use the tool to pitch right away. I'm here to connect with other people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this and I'm gonna let the tool do it for me. So this is, so I just let it be, right? I just let it alone, and then I can focus on other stuff. So you can see here, I'm adding friends, I'm commenting on them, and let's check the other profile here. Oops. So it's still finding friends. So because it's 200 friends, so it's gonna take a while. Um, on Messenger, yes. So this is what I do, guys. So this is how I'm leveraging this tool to save me a lot of time on my Facebook profile. So that's it, guys. So that's how I was able to, grow an audience of 1,400 in a month of Facebook friends. And then, oh, see here, you can see the tool. It says here, the tool is gonna write a message here. See, hi Joe, it's nice to connect with you. So the tool does that for me. It lets me, really saves me a lot of time, guys. So this is really useful if you're using Facebook to market or to grow your business. You gotta have this tool. It saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of headaches, right? So I'm gonna show you also the like feature. To be really honest, because I'm really good on creating engagement, but you can use the tool to like other people's posts. So you can see here like content. So you can like 100 posts a day. So that's probably the maximum that you can do. If you do more than that, you have to do it manually, I guess. So just stick your like, and the tool will just like the tools, the posts of your Facebook friends, and it's just like saying, hey, Willard is just really loving his friends. So, but it's the tool. It's the tool. But I am really, I'm just gonna stop this for now. But I'm really, I really love engaging on people's posts. I really love commenting because it actually fires me up. Actually, it's really, I love my friends. They have awesome posts, right? So like this one from Anthony Nemenzi. Say, have the courage to be disliked, where your blessings. Really, when you really see that kind of post and you engage on that, oh my gosh, that's really awesome. That's really, have an awesome. I love engaging, right? I really don't use the tool to like it because I'm more, when it comes to engagement, I want to be hands-on, right? But when it comes to adding and messaging friends, that's a bit of my weakness because, I'm an introvert. It's really a bit of a struggle for me to really have a conversation with people, but I'm using the tool, but, you do have you do need to converse with people, because conversation always comes before commissions, right? You don't pitch them, you don't you don't do that. So that's what I learned in marketing. You have to have a conversation first before you earn your commissions. All right, guys, so this is the how I am using the tool, and it's really awesome. See here, so I now have Jada that I just added a friend, and I used the tool to message her to say, glad to connect. Now she's messaged me back, and great to connect with you. Now I can have a conversation with her. It's either she's going to be, someone that I can network with, or maybe somehow do a business with her. So that's I'm going to find out soon when I do a conversation with her. So this is that. So this is it, guys. So this is a short demo. I really hope that you understand the power of this tool, and we're still adding a lot of new features, like the invite to the watch party, and really targeting people specifically on a location where they are. Like, for example, if you want to add friends specifically for a location, like here in Edmonton, I'm gonna look for people who are in Edmonton. So that's you're very useful if you are doing a local business. So that's awesome. All right, guys. So this is it. If you want to check out this tool, I'm going to be putting the link on the description on the video. It says Facebook Audience Toolkit. Just click that link, so you'll be sent here, and you will see other demos on how people are actually having success with using this tool, and how it's leveraging their time and effort and money here on Facebook. All right, guys, so if you want to pick up this tool, just click the link on the description on this video. And if you have any questions, just comment or reach out to me personally here on Facebook, or here on the YouTube. If you see this on video on YouTube, just comment on the video down below and let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any doubts about this tool. All right, so Bitter Brand here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.